Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the RGS Nation. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the custom rosters for MLB The Show 19. So on Twitter and on the YouTube comments, I've been seeing a lot of you guys asking me, how do I download rosters in MLB The Show 19? I did a video similar to this in MLB 18. It helped a lot of you guys out, so I'm going to be doing that today. And to be honest with you, a couple years ago, I was in those same shoes. But little did I know, it was one of the easiest things for MLB The Show. So all you got to do is if you're on the main menu where it says Play Now, Diamond Dynasty, Moments, March to October, all that stuff, you go ahead and hit R1 on your controller, then you are set to this little area, the community spot. You're going to see Community Market, My Inventory, and then Vaults. Vaults is what you guys want. You're going to go ahead and hit X on it. You're going to go to Roster Vault. You're going to find a roster that you guys like. Personally, I think this one looks amazing. 2019 updated rosters. That looks pretty good, you know? It doesn't look too bad. Let's go ahead and download that one. So we're going to go ahead and hit New Save. So boom, there you go. You got them. You're going to go back over here. You're going to go into franchise. You're going to start a new franchise. You're going to go down here. Now, this part is very important. You're going to go with Load Saved Rosters. You're going to hit that. You're going to be brought up with this screen, and you're going to pick the roster that you guys just downloaded. After that, you're good. Legit. After that, you're chilling. You can go to whatever team you want. Let's go with the Padres because they have the best prospects. Let's go there. You'll go into your franchise like normal, and you guys will see once you go to the top 50 prospects and everything that everybody good is there. All the prospects that you want, everything. Go over to the top 50. It is all real prospects. As you guys can see, we got Fernando Tatis Jr. We also got Luis. If you guys go over to one of my favorite teams, the Rays, you'll see Wander Franco is there, which is going to be a beast in the future. With the Jays, they got Jonathan Davis, they got Bo Bichette, and of course, Vladdy Guerrero Jr. The Braves have all of their pitching prospects, as you guys can see, and literally, that's about it. It's that simple. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did find it helpful, then be sure to leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. We are doing a bunch of MLB The Show 19 content, and I'm sure you guys will like one of the things that I make, so go ahead and check out the channel if you guys have not already. Anyway, like I said, I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.